Today we're going to demonstrate how to install the Grout Rejuvenator color seal to your existing floor. Recommended on site is the Grout Rejuvenator color seal, a brush triangle for stand-up cleaning, a small brush for the corners, a paintbrush, we recommend a 2-inch Shoreline, and the Sparks Grout Cleaner. Step 1, you want to take your Sparks Grout Cleaner and apply it to the dirty floor. Allow it to sit for a few moments. While it's soaking into the grout, you can take your triangle brush and install it onto a broom handle for easy cleaning. And it's nice because you don't have to bend over and shove it in the floor. You can easily stand up in the application. Step 1 is grout. And with the stand-up brush, it's also nice. You can actually get the tile surface. It's also good to have on hand the smaller grout brush for corners and under cabinets. Just allows you to kill all the bacteria and contaminants prior to installing the Grout Rejuvenator product. And once you get the area clean, you're going to want to take that up with a towel and maybe dilute it with some water and shop back to clean if you have available. After the floor has been cleaned and is now perfectly dry, remember you want it to be perfectly dry to get a good bond for the Grout Rejuvenator. You can see the floor has not come out perfectly even. Grout is sand, and when it's been not being taken care of as long as this one has, it's not going to be perfectly clean. So what we're going to do is install the Grout Rejuvenator. The Grout Rejuvenator will retint and seal the grout all in one step. I'm using a 2-inch Shoreline paintbrush. It's a trim brush, and just running down the grout joints nice and even. And you can get some extra on the tile that will wipe off later. And this will actually retint the grout to whatever color you like and give it a brand new, like new finish. It's also nice because any repairs, as you can see, these grout lines were cracked. Any repairs do not have to be done in the perfect existing color. They can be repaired at any shade you have available, and once tinted, will all blend in. You're going to want to put one coat on, let it dry about 15 to 20 minutes or until dry, and install a second coat right over the finish so it has 2 good solid coats. Okay, so the floor has been cleaned, the grout's been cleaned, the color seal's been applied, 2 coats, and now it's been drying for about 20-25 minutes and it's dry to the touch. You can let it sit longer if you need, but once completed and dried, you're going to want to go over the tile floor and wipe up any excess on the sides of the tile. This is just warm water and a microfiber cloth. Once you go over the edges of the tile, the excess will remove off the tile and remain in the grout. That is the best part, where it's nice and easy and gives you that nice clean look. So you want to mop your floor throughout the whole start to finish, and then you're good to go.